In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wix Error Code 2343 step by step. This is a common Wix issue that can appear when you're trying to access your dashboard, manage apps, or load certain features, and it can be really frustrating if you don't know where to start. The good news is that in most cases, this error is caused by simple session, browser, or connection issues, and you can fix it in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through every solution, from the quickest fix to the more reliable ones, so make sure you watch until the end. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials and website fixes. All right, let's get started. The first thing you should always try is a simple refresh and retry. Sometimes Wix Error Code 2343 appears because the page didn't load correctly or your session timed out. Go ahead and refresh the page using the refresh button in your browser, or press Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on Mac. After refreshing, try performing the same action again in your Wix dashboard. In many cases, this alone is enough to clear the error and get things working again. If refreshing doesn't fix the problem, the next step is to log out of Wix and log back in. To do this, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Wix dashboard and choose Log Out. Once you're fully logged out, close the browser tab completely. Then open a new tab, go back to Wix.com, and sign in again using the same account. This resets your login session and often fixes error code 2343 caused by authentication issues. Next, you'll want to check your internet connection. Wix relies on a stable internet connection to load the dashboard and apps properly. Make sure your connection isn't dropping or running extremely slow. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection or disconnect and reconnect to your network. You can also try restarting your router. After confirming your connection is stable, reload the Wix dashboard and see if the error is gone. If the issue still persists, try opening Wix in an incognito window or using a different browser altogether. Incognito mode disables extensions and cached data that can sometimes interfere with Wix. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and select New Incognito Window. Then log into Wix from there and check if the error code still appears. If that doesn't work, try another browser like Firefox, Edge, or Safari. This helps rule out browser-specific problems. Another important step is to turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes block or reroute Wix services, which can trigger error code 2343. Temporarily disable your VPN or proxy, refresh the page, and try accessing the Wix dashboard again. If it works after disabling the VPN, you'll know that was the cause of the issue. Once you're able to access your site properly, the final step is to republish your site. Go to your Wix dashboard, open your site editor, and click the Publish button. Republishing helps sync your site settings and can clear lingering errors related to site data or apps. After publishing, return to the dashboard and confirm that everything is working normally. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Wix Error Code 2343 and get back to managing your website without any issues. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix fixes and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.